Just a short follow-up video on the Cycclevolt 300 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery that I got as a test. It's a very good idea to have this thing hooked up closed loop to any inverter or charger, what have you, that you have it hooked up to, because the cells in it aren't really all that balanced from the factory. And the way to tell that is this info screen. Actually, it's at night, so the battery's discharging. But this info screen where it says normal, it'll say fault, but the battery isn't going to say any other alarms, and it's going to be charging at a rate of about 1 ampere, a little bit less. Usually it's about 900 something milliamperes. Because what it is some of the cells in the battery are fully charged, others aren't. And so what this battery will do is it'll kick whatever's charging it to drop the current down to the effective pass current of the passive BMS that this thing has. And so it'll just charge up the low cells, and the shunt resistors in the BMS will bypass the high cells. And how you tell what the potentials of the cells in the thing are is you go to this BMS Smart Energy Smart Battery Management System home screen thing, hit pack info, it'll tell you all this blah de blah, and then this little double chevron right arrow, hit that. You go to pack info, temperatures. Naturally this doesn't have the ability to set that to Fahrenheit because it's 9. And then you go to the screen where it'll say what the potentials of all the cells are. Now cells 1 through 8, these are all put very well balanced at 3.321 volts. Go to the next screen. Cell 9 is a bit low. Cell 16 is a bit low. This thing has been slowly equalizing the cells. Well, it's not technically equalization in lead acid sense, but you know what I mean. Over the course of the past month. But it's not exactly a fast process. Plus, this thing has been in cyclic use for testing purposes. But yeah, just something to note about this. So you want to use these with something that can closed loop communicate with it, which Solar can, and I've already done a video on that, on the custom cable you need to make.